Hello, this is a video tour of number 38 All Saints Road, located in Kings Heath. The house is a short 5-minute stroll from Kings Heath Park and also the High Street, and does offer 3 double bedrooms, off-road parking and a beautiful rear garden with an extended kitchen. Leading to the house, you can see that there is a block paved area sizable to fit a small family car. There is access to the rear garden via the shared entry to the left of the property, and leading up to the house there is an original style open canopy with a blue painted door below and a window over. Leading into the house, there is beautiful original terrazzo marbled flooring. You will note that on the door itself there is an original style letterbox, and a beautiful feature of the house is that there is an original pulley doorbell. In the vestibule there is the electric meters, and there is a further door with a window over leading into the entrance hall. And inside the hallway there are 3 ceiling light points featuring 2 ceiling roses. There is also a featured decorative archway, picture rail, tiled flooring, a radiator, and there is access initially to the 2 reception rooms. Reception room 1 is located at the front of the house and offers further original features, including a decorative archway and a restored ceiling rose in the middle of the ceiling. Furthermore, there is a feature recess to the chimney breast. Inside there is a log burner which is sat on a tiled hearth. There is a large bay window overlooking the drive with fitted shutters, and there is also a radiator in the room as well. The second reception room faces the rear garden, and there is access into the rear garden via the French doors located in the corner of the room with the window over. This room is currently used as a family room and offers a separate play space from mums and dads in the front reception room. You can see in here that there is further decorative coving, a picture rail, ceiling rose similarly matching the front reception room, and there is also a radiator, beautifully restored wooden flooring, and there are built-in cupboards either side of the chimney breast, bookshelving on the left, and there is a further recess to the chimney breast in here with a decorative hearth which does match the tiling in the entrance hall. Back to the hallway, and the hallway does lead towards the rear of the property, and before we enter the kitchen on the left there is a turning staircase providing access to the first floor accommodation. There is also access to a ground floor cloakroom offering a WC and storage area. You can see behind the WC there is an original style window, and below the stairwell there is a radiator and room for storage as well. Now the kitchen is a really beautiful layout with a feature bay window on the left, inside of which you can see that there is a Belfast style sink with a pulley tap over. Helpfully there is an integrated dishwasher directly ahead, and there is also space with storage surrounding for an American style fridge freezer. There is space for a range style cooker with a cooker hood over already. There is also under counter plumbing and space for a washing machine in here, and the 3 units ahead provide plenty of storage in the kitchen area. On the right hand side there is a breakfast bar, and then there is an opening to an extended dining area. You can see that there are bifold doors opening to a beautiful rear garden. There are 2 skylights in here, ceiling light point, and there is also a stable style door providing access to a courtyard area down the side of the house. The heating in the room is supplied by a large feature column style radiator, and you can see that there's plenty of space for entertaining in this really beautiful room. The first floor accommodation is accessed via a turning staircase leading onto a split level landing where there are 2 ceiling light points accessed into the loft, a window to the side allowing daylight into the space. There is also an original style baluster, radiator, and there are doors to all 3 bedrooms and the family bathroom. At the front of the house is the principal bedroom with 2 windows to the front, a ceiling light point. There is coving in here, a radiator, and the room does measure over 15 foot wide. So beautiful main bedroom at the front. The second bedroom is also a lovely sized double with views over to the rear garden via the window. You can see at the back of the house there are lots of trees, and to have this amount of greenery is really great. There is a radiator in here, a ceiling light point, and there is also a built-in original style wardrobe located on the left of the chimney breast. The third bedroom is situated at the rear of the house. The room is currently used as a nursery, however the room will easily fit a good sized double bed in. Inside the room there is a ceiling light point, a radiator, and the window. You can see again the rear garden. Lastly, upstairs there is the family bathroom, which does offer an obscure window to the side, a skylight, fully tiled walls in the room. There is also a radiator, an inset WC encased in a vanity unit matching the wash hand basin, which does have a mixer tap over. On the right is a panelled bath which offers a shower above as well, and a glass screen which is fitted. The rear garden can be accessed via the second reception room, the dining area of the kitchen, via a stable door into the courtyard, and also via bifolding doors which extend almost the full width of the dining area. Initially there is a good sized decked seating area here, and there are steps down to a maturely maintained beautiful garden area which is planted mainly with lawn, but there are beautifully manicured beds on both the left and the right hand side of the garden. The lawn does extend down to the rear, and this garden is one of the longest gardens on the road. A lovely feature is a further seating area just on the right hand side with a slated area there. There is also space for children's toys without fully consuming the entire garden space. And at the rear of the garden there are veggie patches, and a really good size shed as well. You can see the veggie patches do run straight to the back of the garden, where there is also access to a further shed and a hidden storage area with compost area too. So you do have the view looking back to the house, and you can see that there's plenty of space out here, and it's incredibly quiet even with its proximity to the high street. Lastly, the courtyard, which can be accessed via the stable door, as previously mentioned, from the dining area, the shared side passageway, and also the second reception room. And it's a lovely private space out here, and the current owners do have a log store, but it does offer some shaded seating space as well for the long summer months. And here on the right you can see the gate providing access to the passage down the side of the property. Now that does conclude the video tour for the house. If you are interested in arranging a viewing, please get in touch, and we will look forward to seeing you soon.